There's a lot of buzz building around Apple's upcoming rugged smartwatch, and if the latest rumors hold true, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 could deliver the biggest upgrade we've seen in the lineup yet. With a release expected this September, likely alongside the next generation iPhone series, Apple seems ready to take things to the next level. We're not talking about just a few internal tweaks. This time, there could be some truly game-changing additions that push the Ultra series into a new category of smartwatches. Let's start with one of the most exciting potential features: blood pressure monitoring. According to credible reports, including insights from Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, Apple may finally introduce this health-focused tool, but with a twist. Rather than giving you precise medical-grade numbers, the watch would focus on detecting trends. It won't replace your traditional cuff, but it could notify you if your blood pressure appears to be climbing. Imagine getting an alert when something seems off, prompting you to get checked before it turns into something serious. This is a smarter, more preventative approach to health tracking, something many users have wanted for years. Another big potential upgrade is satellite messaging directly from the watch itself. That's right, not via a connected iPhone, but through the Apple Watch Ultra 3's own satellite capabilities. This could completely transform how smartwatches handle communication when you're off the grid. Whether you're hiking in remote terrain, out at sea, or in an emergency without cell service, you could still send out a message for help or check in with loved ones. It's a major advancement for safety, and it aligns perfectly with the Ultra's reputation as a tool for adventurers and outdoor enthusiasts. Now let's talk connectivity, specifically 5G. For the first time, an Apple Watch may support 5G networks, and not just any kind of 5G. The Ultra 3 is rumored to include support for a specialized version called RedCap, short for Reduced Capability. This is a lighter, low-power variant of 5G built specifically for wearables and compact devices. It won't drain your battery like traditional 5G can, but it still provides faster speeds and better reliability compared to existing LTE models. That's a game changer for those who want to stay connected on long runs, hikes, or travels without worrying about losing signal or killing their battery too fast. These features, if they actually ship, represent more than just an incremental update. They could turn the Apple Watch Ultra 3 into a next-level health and safety companion. Rather than focusing solely on design or internal performance, Apple seems to be leaning into real-life functionality, features that can make a tangible difference in everyday situations. From early health alerts to staying in touch from the middle of nowhere, this could be the kind of innovation that sets the Ultra 3 apart, not just from its predecessors, but from the entire smartwatch market. Of course, none of this has been officially confirmed by Apple, so we have to take all these leaks and reports with a grain of salt. Still, the sources behind these rumors have been fairly reliable in the past, which gives us hope that these upgrades could be real. If they are, the Ultra 3 might finally be the version that convinces even current Ultra and Ultra 2 users to consider upgrading. It's not just about performance boosts, it's about functionality that changes how you use the watch day to day. What's your take on these potential features? Are you excited about the idea of blood pressure alerts, satellite messaging, and 5G on your wrist? Would these upgrades be enough to make you switch or upgrade your current model? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think. And as always, stay tuned right here on Technology in the Future for more updates, deep dives, and coverage on all the latest in wearable tech and beyond.